I take 2 tablets of organic sea moss and 1 tablet of Shilajit every day.
What is Shilajit?
Great question. Shilajit is a resin that forms over centuries from decomposed plant material in high-altitude rocks, primarily in the Himalayas. It's packed with minerals, fulvic acid, and antioxidants. I first heard about it as a natural energy booster, and let me tell you, it really works. Oh, I felt the difference within the first week. I noticed a consistent boost in my energy levels throughout the day, and I didn't need that 3 p.m. coffee anymore. Plus, it really helped clear up my brain fog. I felt more focused, which is a game changer for my productivity.